Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to fix if one of your AirPod is not working, or if you're hearing lower sound in one versus the another, or any issues that you're having with the AirPod. Maybe one of them isn't syncing on all of that. We're going to show you guys how you can go about fixing this issue. To do that, we're going to show you guys those steps. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaway. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for iPhone or AirPods at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So if one of your AirPod is not working, there could be a couple reasons. The first reason could be that there is a low charge on one versus the other. And the way to check that is pretty simple, is that you're going to take your charging case, go ahead and place them inside your charging case. So you want to go ahead and place them, and once you place them, as you can see here, when we place one of them in here, we'll notice that pop-up come up again. So if we close that up again, open that pop-up again, let's go ahead and try that one more time. You can see here, once we put them in, give it about 10-15 seconds. And once you have done that, you'll notice the charge level. So make sure your charging case here is at 100%. As you can see, it's at 28%. That's fine because ours is working. And then you'll look at the charge for the actual AirPod itself. You'll notice that they are at 100%. And the way to check individual charge is pretty simple. You want to take one out, right? You gotta take one out and then open it up. Let's try that one more time. If you open that up, you'll notice the charge here of the two AirPods. And if you take one out, you'll notice the charge of the left and the right, they're also at 100%. If you see that one of them isn't working or has low volume and it's maybe at couple percent or really low, that's probably the reason why that's the case. So you want to make sure you place both of them inside, make sure the case is fully charged. If not, just plug them in. Depending on if you have a wireless one or a plugged in one, just plug it in and make sure it's fully charged. That's the step one that you want to do. Next step you want to do to troubleshoot that is actually take a look at the actual condition of these mesh. So you can see here there's some mesh. Even here is that you want to make sure that it's not dirty and that there's no kind of dirt or anything stuck, sometimes earwax and things like that. To clean that, take maybe a toothpick or maybe a Q-tip or whatever you can find, small enough. You don't want to damage or any kind of tool. Just simply wipe it down lightly to get those derbies off, any dirt or anything that you have. That will definitely help. Once you clean that up, try again and see what happens this time. So that's step two that you want to do. And if that still hasn't fixed it and you're still having maybe low volume or one not working, the next thing you want to do is actually check the volume level. There's a way to check the volume level. You're going to simply go into settings. Once you're in your setting, you want to find accessibility. So we're going to look for accessibility. And once you're in accessibility, you're going to go to audio visual. So you want to look for that audio visual. So you want to go down here, hearing. In the hearing section, you'll see audio visual. And once you see that, you'll notice this balance level. So you want to make sure this balance level is in the center. Let's say it's on this side or the other side and you don't hear the volume. That's because it's one-sided or another. So this kind of controls what side the audio will be feeding into. And hopefully that helps you. And if that doesn't help you, the next thing we want to do is actually do unpair and reset our AirPod. This is the final step, and pretty much this should fix any sort of issues whatsoever that you have if any of the other methods did not work for you. And to do that, it's pretty easy. You're going to want to go to Bluetooth and in the Bluetooth section. So let's go ahead and see if it's connected. If it's connected, we'll see it comes up here. We open it up here. It's connected. We're going to go ahead and click on that eye with the information dot on it. Once we see that, we're going to go ahead and forget this device and click on forget here. And once we forget this device, as you can see here, it's going to remove it. The next thing we want to do is, you can see here right now it's blinking white. It's looking to pair again, but we're not going to pair. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this on the back side of it. You'll see this circular dot that's flush against the side. this is actually the way we can reset it. What we're going to do is hold this down until this flashing white becomes an amber light, and then let it go. So this will reset the AirPods. So as you can see here, I'm holding it down right now. That's why you're not able to see. We're holding it down nice and firm, and we're going to keep on holding it till we see that light changes. So once that light changes, it's going to become like amber. As you can see, it flickers about a couple times or so. And once it's done flickering and we see that solid green again, now that means it's been reset, and hopefully it fixes any issues that you have. Go ahead and try it on. So if any of these methods help you guys fix whether one of your AirPods, one of them isn't working, or the entire AirPod isn't working, or if you're hearing low volume, hopefully one of these methods help you guys out. If it helped you, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you guys found another fix for any issues, leave a comment in the comment section to help everyone out as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.